Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
Once you wanted to kill a tiger, you dress like a pig.
You dress like a pig?
More was it in a gun, flamboyant, because he's a simple guy. But you people, I'm looking for Chanda, Gino Chanda. Gino Chanda enumerated the achievements of wars. Most of this modernization of UPDF is attributed to him, to fight at the front of the region. There are very few generals who fight at the front line. They only send their work. Kakati, a problem over Nijabakoze, a Chile Uganda is a succession in favor. We have an orderly prepared succession. We have a disorder, Gamumaji. Most of the orderly withdraw. Ne and none orderly withdraw. The Americans withdrew from Afghanistan. They had organized it. Although certain saboteurs tried to sabotage it. Kakati wale wachitita a prepared succession.
A prepared succession.
The problem, Museveni Jaina, in the process of ruling, what has enabled him to rule this country for 40 years is that his would be successors. Kubaya Museveni yajjawo ebibiina by'obufuzi. Ne bwe twadda mu multi-party, twasigala mu kibiina kimu. Why? You cannot make a meaningful presidential campaign without money. Yes. And these people in the government steal money. Bali mu revenue, bali luddawa, kubazi you know that money is a strategy. Kyobulaba nti nze nabalema banjooga onoojoogani tumumese tunemumiwa ngawavoganya emese ng'onyimbawo nze nesabuli yange nkolamu olunaku lumu nkola obukadde butaano kati aligale bamubeba mwasa omutwe nze njeka nze nsobodde abasajja bano because sente zange teziri mu gavumenti sina kyembeegulyako erijoogo mbwa agenda kumiriya sente agende kwa saali basemu nalinja bakuba emitwe mbatte siyinza kuddamu kukola mu gavumenti myaka 10 sikolangamu ate sirigiddamu nja kukola mu yamubuuza eyamuseveni nedda mulimu omukazi ajooga abantu kakati nkubulira negamba ti because carrying out a serious presidential campaign requires a lot of money, and these Europeans give you money during elections, not to campaign. Museveni abadde ayina abahandi kati bano abafamire ye balowooza nti bwe bafuna ssente bajja kugula buli omu ababaka ba palamenti nali okwajoga abantu nani okubantu nabasiisako nani ananyola tukubaganya emyaka 10 yannemerawo nasiba wano ssente nazisiba wano nalibesa ssente nakola ate kati babadde bamanyi te enda kutunda obutabo obwasooka temunabunsasula ajja kujja atuwatiri tumuyingiza ekitimba atuwe temusobola namanyira nange nsaba katonda omulenzi ono mulabeko Kawanga nze kyenasaba ewaffe era kati ndi musanyufu nabagaye nti lesoling baabakuba nga bakumalawo oteekayo omukono kasooli yagukwatako ogwange mugozi yagukutteko kaba bete nti kati ze sikyate njokola mulabe ngadduka n'obujozi bwe ebyange byawedde n'omubabire waffe ajja kuteegula nabwalikola tyo nga temutuwadde sente nga temutusasudde sente zange zeyalemesa tisati zange zeyalemesa sente zange Museveni zeyamuwa n'azikwata. What will be? Do you know what Mirundi will be? Mbalayirira lwemulitegera ti amaanyi tegali lwemulitegera nti obuyinza tebuli lwemulitegera naffe tulina gye twava kirujjo lumayimani kakati nkubulire negamba what Museveni has failed to do is to organize. When you grow old, a leader who grows old becomes a hostage of his family.
When you grow old, what happens?
You become a hostage of your family. And 2, the family expands. Kati olwokuba bamanyidde okugula buli muntu n'okujooga n'okuniyo ti buli muntu bamunyoko ne bamunyolako ne bamuniyoko nze mbalemeredde temayinza kunjooka sirinyangayo myaka 10 toyinza kungoba mu kifo kyali n'okenyuka kasese kwejjirikitiko basuula embwa nagana ne buli omu yenna gwe bajoogadduka buddusi bakadaga badduka bannakyo nswera mbuzi toyinza kunjooga nozija kuba sipiika n'ofuuka minisita ngende waffe kweba mbu bajja kutta tewali akutta naye mwe mutuse mwe abakkiriza obujoozi ne bakujooga omwana n'okujooga nolita nakabirwa nakuba nakugjawo Kadaga would have refused.
The position of minister.
Yes, Kadaga had to be president. I want to rest. Kangene 2 months. Eyaliko myewo. Ekyoko neribagwa mutwe. Ekyoko neribagwa mutwe. Tabalize mukujoka bantu. You cannot have a speaker no for the deputy prime minister. Sigenda yo. Nkulimba nenkuga ndigenze kuumwe. Kadaga can get an international job. Neko soba kujoga no kids ne bakuniyoko ne bakunyoloko. Nze ndi mwavude inagana. Sinze kubeera wansi wa minister. Sinze kubeera wansi wa tumwe.
Never in life.
Never. Nagende waffe katubone bane katokole kibata preserving my dignity. Bali kitegero ndi. Ejogo limwe ebyo limuni yakubana ne mubanyalako yetagenda yo. Nze Museveni bwampo wa minister sikola. Sikola bwa minister bwa Museveni kubeera ku tension bujozi. Buli mwakube. Agenda ninja but media center semanyani yani. Sijui what me. Kakati nkugamba. Nti olwokuba Museveni family ye kuzinga ali mu buyinza but tusokolowooza nti is a kingdom.
Seven is a kingdom.
Nti is a king. That's why the battle bakuba buli muntu yenna mu opposition ne bamugjawo. Kakati the battle is inside the palace. Olutalo luli mu palace kubanga Museveni yagenda nafuna ekizibu in the wrong process of administration. Nti Mbabazi bwe yagala okuwamba gavumenti okumulwanyisa ng'ayita mu secretariat yateekayo Tadongo kyoli n'amumanyi. Do you know Tadongo?
Tadongo.
Omumanyi? Nga yayise mu kibuga waliwo amumanyi.
No, even we know rats than Tadongo. We know rats than Tadongo.
Yes. Kati ekyo ekifo Museveni yakinutrizinga. Ya Museveni yatunuulira kifo, not the character of Mbabazi. You can have a powerful Secretary General like Kirunda, Louisa Kirunda, who has no ambitions. The best Secretary General to Museveni, Yarabadiru, Tango Doyi, Yapama Kerere, no Yokabe, but Taiwabo. No Tango Doyi, Balimuquatan, Ejogolimu to Yambuma.
Okitagede so.
Tikakati before Museveni you never been swaying. Till you look what Nabanya and Rugunda and Kintu Musoki and Mbabazi.
If you compare the three,
yes.
But there are those uncomparable.
Unaringa dibu.
Nabanja.
Anti Banoni, but prime ministers. Museveni looked at these institutions as breeding rivals to none as neutralizing. Kati as a result, no position nefa Bobi Wine muntu waabwe
nawe
waabwe
tasakwera waabwe kuba nze ndaba byonna byakola bya position.
Let me tell you.
Yes, sir.
Has Bobi Wine told you who own the companies that took our children to Arab countries? Why doesn't he allow these people to tell us the company that took them there? Tasobola zogera. He's an agent. Bobi Wine is an agent. I'm telling you. Family yabwe gaggawadde. Bobi Wine is a devil. I'm telling you.
He can't be a devil.
Bobi Wine is a devil.
He's a savior.
He's not a savior, he's a devil.
He has saved a lot of people.
Bobi Wine is a man. He's a man in a woman's skin. waabwe bamukozesa bobweni asitame tulabo basi mukazi
naye naawe ayajja wano ng'oli naawe mulimu enna wano
bobweni yajja wano was captured temumanyi in fact people are coming to me to take over Nuupu. Many people are coming to me yango tuyamba omusajja tumusiga okulula tulaba ebiseera ebimu nga nyambala Nuupu nkyerowooza
Nuupu temunajja mugitwala Nuupu y'abantu
kasita obeera ne house boy ewaka n'otamufunira house girl ayinza okulya mukazi kati in absence of a full-fledged opposition, the battle has entered inside the palace and the fire originates from the palace. But one
no, but I've loved your statement. The moment you get a house girl, not I'm taking a house boy. House boy.
Not I'm a house girl.
You will end up big the
Mukazwa is Muyingizam Mudi. Favarunzi bent and Katoki. A Katokipa like me. A nume mutu yitekamu en kazima kumiaka.
Abi.
Kuben nume. Elizo kutula Ssenkaggale.
Zigostekamu ngabo biri boka.
Ezishinja amani. Enumo kukakana. Wano buru tujitekamu en kazima kumiaka. Mama Katokipa. Have a farm.
Onoba wa mohozi nga toinante.
Kakati. And even Muganda with the cows and the rich man must have a muima woman. You must have a muima woman.
Okuyigiriza ebidako.
No, akumente. Where is ubeyagala okukagawala Muganda nga yagala okukagawala n'okukuma obugagga masaafe muima woman.
Kale.
Kakati nkubulira ne gamba nti in absence of a house girl, now the house boy has entered your bedroom. In absence of a fully-fledged multi-party system where leaders can agitate for power, the battle has been reduced to Museveni's family members. They innocent. These are the ones who can make a meaningful presidential campaign because it requires money. Kakati ekizibu kyebayina kyebabadde nakyo ekirungi tukira bipolar. When you do international relations, we call it bipolar. Bipolar means ensi eyimiridde ku mpagi bbiri Russia ne America. Kakati mukozi yabadde mu magi ng'ono ye ali mu gavumenti yatwala ssente yatujoga yatunye ku mitwe yatunyolako yatujoga bwe twavumye setaala we yakoze eki and as accumulated a lot of wealth. Nalowooza nti amaze tugenda kuyisa ekiteeso nga president alondebwa mugundi mu parliament.
But is it applicable?
Oyo yetasoboka adduka bamukubale bamutyona ajoze nnyo abantu.
Naye Museveni ajja kukima.
Wulira kati baddira mukozi yabadde mu make kati bamwantagonize like me. You know why they lose the point? I was not as radical as I am today when I was still working for government.
Yeah.
The moment they kicked him out of government, arrest me. Naye siyinza kubadda mu bakolera mwanjoka nengenda nenjogebwa nempebwa obutwa nenkola Museveni yansusulanga mu biwanko. Kakati nina kuyimirirawo ku bantu. That's why you come to me. I have invested heavily in the population. Why? Sina kira kyenina. Kakati muhozi bote bategeera. To the moment you antagonize muhozi nava mu maje akulitira ekisa. Kakati kyembabuuza omuntu abasajja tebalina muntu. Tuyinze munebone emyaka 24 emyaka gyange ogisse onjoze abaana bange basoma bubi nja kujja nkufuka nyiza okutulika ekibiteri kankubali mazima ga Katonda abasajja singa teyali muntu ya ngana genda kyankwazi nolingira kutulikirali
wageze ne bomba
baba kumi bafu atano kuba. They are not human. What I have seen about these people, they are not human. How do you expect somebody to feel omusajja akoledde emyaka 14 ngakolera mbugudu tewali yosente naye immediately I left ne bateekayo omulala bayongeza emisaala 5 billion bazituka otwala otya omwana wa munno gyagenda okufuna 1.7 batutte 5 billion nvuddemu bongezereza sente nkoze eki mukubye omwana wange ajja kutya nga ntyaki mutte nzita nabiwombatte ebyo mubijooga balala tokoma mwana we tolombe mukazi we tomutte tokale tutya ebyo mubijooga balala
nege olimirako
nedda nze ndi mandwa njagala emandwa entabaale yali akubiddwako baali bakubiddwako nga bwe bakubye wogamba agenda kuttaka battaano tebayinza kunzita ne bayingiza omulambo gwange mu kibuga muno olaba bambala kiragala bwe badduka emisiri
awo tugenda ku point enkulu
andi nkubuulidde nti okitegedde nti because the battle is originating from the palace bano batundira muhoozi nga teyalive kuba basibaddewo bokka kakati bano batategeera ti ate omuko tasobola kusikira sezaalawo ne bumuba muyina sente empitirivu amawanga gayina traditions omujalu we yaganya okufuga Kenya yagenda ate anaddadde Raila Odinga azifere tululu Kenya nekitawe yalemwa. The question is that the Jaluos are not rule Kenya. In America, a person who is not born on American soil cannot rule America. Even a woman. These are Republican societies. In America, the British can. Either they can bring a female wound. But it is strongly Nordic countries, when you go to India, the first sheke ngasinga mu myaka na musanvu afuzo bakafuna yo bo bakozi bangu tubamanyina
okay
ayita no kubango ya inaje yakulira bahindu bebafu akati nkubole nekamba. The problem we are having today, the battle is inside the palace. Why? Because the palace normally are innocent. Kakati ye Museveni kyakoze osoma conflict resolution tukugamba there are people who take on the problem head on. There are people who wait others to solve the problem. There are people who wait in nature. Kati ye Museveni agamba ti olwokuba lwabwo ne muhozi bali representing a different wound ye kalemerewo for how long? Me, I differ. Is me who initiated this idea, which has been captured by Anit, Constitution of Anit, Ninda Anit, Bachugonga, Ziruka. It's your nature for them. Constitution of Anit, in Abacolism, Mani, a young piece, a name for Logom. Anit, a young woman. Never Junivacho Gombo, the Baduka, Irene. My initiative was the same. Let us give Museveni 10 years. But let us amend the constitution and set the term limits. 2. What Museveni should look at these 10 years as an assignment. An assignment where we make constitutional reforms, reinstate the term limits, make a law that forbids, that forgives all of those who have stolen money, who have killed the people, who have tampered with the human rights. Mubasonyiwe tutandike n'endagaano empya era ey'olubeerera. Why? Nti balwabogo, the Rwabogos batya muhoozi naye abatya, which means tugenda kufuna ekizibu nti muhoozi is cornered. bano balowooza mutumukubyene tumugizo n'omusajja omulala. It takes us 24 hours to kill M26. Do it! Kwenda! Fanya hiyo kazi. Unawacha nini? Olaba n'omusajja. It takes us only 24 hours. Obumanite babu n'obugwako gwako. Do it! Jikube! Eriru! Bakuwana bakutenda. Kwata kwe M26. Oli n'enjoka bazikule. Enjoka bazikutokota. Ani aganyo jikuba? Ajikube! Toto leka kukumba. Eriru! Leka kukumba. Nedda, if you have the capacity, in fact, Ereru is underestimating the army. Why? If it takes you 24 hours to handle the Gataka army, how many hours will you take you to handle serious army? Ereru to become Mugabe. Ju zaidi. Ereru ju zaidi. Do you understand the logic?
The logic of soil is quite hard for me.
It's provoking in Rwanda.
But the most provoked Kenyans are not really provoking Rwandese.
No, you see, the Kenyans, these people don't know international relations.
They know, they're brilliant.
Museveni abantu bakozesa mu embassy, ambassadors, tebaso, babasonsekayo, babbe, batunde ettaka, batunde embassy za Uganda. How many ambassadors do you have in Uganda? Celebrated ones.
There are quite many.
No. Ambassador is a rank in the foreign department. Ambassador does not mean. You see, a man like Chiyonga, who has never trained as did any course in the diplomacy, where you expecting deals. The Ugandan ambassador to China would be a celebrated diplomat, because China is the leading donor or financer.
Okay.
This government doesn't know.
The battle is in the palace.
George Bush, ambassador China. America. You see, the British have elected in their electoral college an Indian. Why? In the battle with the Soviet, with Russia, they want to divide India. Remember joining India, ne Russia, ne China. This man, an Indian, will go to India and convinced you will speak their language. That's Britain. Baribabara. Nti gwe High Commissioner wa Uganda yani. Nti ono gundi gali wangu kumwango ba secretariat kubanga ye Museveni anonya kuona like Gaddafi. Nti mwe mugende abava Tripoli abava e Benghazi mugende mu foreign affairs. Jobola bamuwamba.
Oyogada kuchokuwamba wenjagala yogera bana bali mu kuwamba abantu bana Uganda nabali mu kuta bana Uganda bavawa. Is it people with
no
Ruero? They killed 7 men with guns, killed men with guns.
Abaganda bakugamba okusaba enja z'omuzigo olabira ku baana baayo
kitegeeza ate
abaana b'enjaza baba basibuuka. If I come to borrow from you money and I find that you are calling with the landlord, do I borrow money from you?
You know, it's quite hard.
So who ensures security? The police. If the police is being attacked here and center by criminals,
then we don't have security.
Do you ask security from the police?
Then we don't have security.
We have a proverb. To ask umuzigo means cosmetics. If you want to know that this man has a woman has umuzigo, it must start with his children. But in Uganda, you find the police. Hey, if the police itself cannot solve cases involve they highly bosses, what do you ask from them?
Okay.
Nabagamba, and when I go to a witch doctor, and I wait for him, and I found the door of the shrine locked by padlocks, I don't expect him to provide me with the medicine to quite chiefs.
Because I get the concept.
Yes.
When you go at what?
If I go to a witch doctor, when my car is stolen, many people come to me.
And you find that the witch doctor has
I wait the witch doctor to come to give me medicine to trace my car. And when I arrive there, before he arrives, he opens the door. I see, I observe that the door is locked by 3 padlocks.
You also fear.
Then I will go away
because
this man has no medicine.
The last question.
Over police engine, bagikuba. Police engine bagikuba.
Waliwo omukyala ayakubiddwa bajjo ebikonde n'empi mu studio. Kati omukyala n'agamba agezeeko ew'ennanga tamuyambye. Agenze mbasyaidi tebamuyambye. Agenze mu abitekisi kyaliyo osoma bikoze bita tebamuyambye.
Yamukubidde ki?
Nti gundi yajja ku studio nga ndoza akubiddwa bajjo.
No, you see.
Kakati bajjo nimamulizo ninga out ye kyava mu Rwanda.
The problem, these are measures for companies. Not everything is taken before court. Not everything is taken before the police. When you come in a studio like Ofano Photo Wound, don't think that we remain with emotions. Those people, I'm going to go to butukuba ne butufuma ebitali nkutulesinga n'enkutta nyamwe tafuma. I stop even moderators.
Hey,
yes,
that's what I'm saying. This I'm very far.
Anti chimanyi timumulowooza kati oyo omukazi bamugambye tigende ewa bajjo genda mu studio
provoking but it's bajjo provoked.
No,
because we have the script with us.
Bajjo babadde balwanira ki?
But yagambye omukyala moderator Noldi namugamba bajjo yagambye no bito omukazi bichi byambuuza because they called the woman to talk about women and politics, but Bajjo, the lady out-reasoned Bajjo, and Bajjo was someone.
How can you bring a Bajjo to talk about marriage? Is Bajjo a celebrated marriage man?
No.
Why don't you call Ruago, who has celebrated 20 years in marriage, 20 years in marriage, to talk about marriage issues? In fact, this is where Kawanga lost. One new vision, Bategera, Gondi, my friend, Yakena who celebrating in Yakabit. Kawanga Naja, Jessica, is going to console with Ngabaro was a Bajamu, Ajaku in the war. A joke where I chief for celebrity, Nichirema, Yakola Bubati, Kawanga. So, if you are going to talk about marriage issues, whom do you call? Negun or Sempa, Bariba Kubagani, Gundio, Maria Martin. You choose the people. When you want to talk about politics, get it. If that's why Amori is alone. If we want me to argue politics, bring a professor of political science. Because we operate on the principles. Garcia, the problem is that we have decimated the opposition. As it is a house boy, and there is no house boy, okay. It's likely to encroach on your wife, especially if he is handsome. Yeah? The problem in Uganda is that we don't have an opposition. As it is that those who are agitating for power, who have resources that can make a meaningful presidential election, and inside the palace, who have money. Echongo chindetera. Oyezo ndentule natamanyi kulizoninga. Why is it that the Obote government shared with the UPC? UPC had the comradeship. Even Amin is better than this government. Amin's government, the Nubians, would not fight those who were supporting Amin. We have many. Kanomondo was a Catholic, but Amin directed him. Okunganya sente z'omuzikiti n'agoba Moses Nyangweso. Naye muno mu gavumenti ya Museveni ne bw'obakolera tebakusasula.
Okay.
Why? Tebayina gwe batya. There is no comradeship. You were hunting a dog. You were a slave. Agenda mu New Vision. Why should I go to New Vision? Agenda mu media center. Why? Mungo bye mu state house mu 5 billion.
Okay.
Why doesn't the president call me and say, you have worked for me for 14 years. Yes. I've retired you. You can either go first class to upgrade your education, or bank what the billion. Singa and you said you no. Why doesn't he go to media center?
Okay. What was the chips on Agamba? Honestly, I'm not going to Okudukanya flag NRM. Check Semba.
No, the issue is not. Let me tell you. Muhoze has made a statement.
He's going to run for NRM.
No, he not. When you see Chigongo, the problem with African, when we have a problem, what we do we do? Ngamani mu marriage. Boba yombye ne mukazi wo. Ogenda ne mulamu we. Osoka kutuma mulamu we. Na kuvuma. Obaba ogenda ne Mirundi. Nsoka ne tuuli omukazi byayogera. Ega towoza. Don't argue. The woman has won. Omuganda ina abakazi abangi. Omuganda must have 4 wives. Erichi Muganda like you. Kabeja, Kadurubale, Muwanika, and Nasaza. Omuganda must have 4 wives. Erichi Muganda like me. Now Muganda bwaba sali misango. Agamba mujeke tara. Muganda decides the cases.
Nidakanes.
Even the Kabaka, Twino Mutaka Bamita Naduli Chibale. Naduli Chibale is the man, the Mutaka, who solves the problems between the Kabaka and his wives. And the Kain is the Kabaka.
Okay.
Naduli Chibaka. I shall go to your kitchen. Into Muganda. Bakasibo Baja, Gabono Vaga, or Jacket Tara in Dakanes. Kakado Mamma Koza Bona, Tobagam of Camille, Bowser of Camille. Katulimu mukwata kulab gwoshi nje tomanya ngo bakuteko ate mikono jiyebi ogenda ogenda agamba sikuwangudde dashe mukana
kumba chikoza muziki
songo chikolide muziki
akume tutandikira Mirundi ogenda okutunya na episode dabo anya lwachi nzikiza tugenda okutandikira mugama.
Yes, in that case.
Yes.
So every woman goes thinking that he has won the battle.
Amen.